Hello, this is a small tutorial for the currency reconciliations file. Keep in mind that this is a beta version, which means it's still going to be improved during the following weeks. And I'm going to show you here briefly how to use the file to generate your reconciliations. The first thing you have to do is, you have to type down here the year you are performing the reconciliations in, as well as the month. You can type here your username, your and you have to select the description for the group of accounts you're going to be doing the reconciliations for. For instance, in this case, we're going to use provisions for work 2. And then you have to select your division. For this example, I will choose IAPI. You also have this space here where you can write any notes you deem necessary to complement your reconciliation. Once you select your division, this spreadsheet here will be shown, and it will contain of your selected division, your business line information. Now we can proceed to generate the FAGLL03 file. We just have to click here, this button. It will prompt you, telling you that you have to make sure that you're logged into SAP before clicking OK. Let's make sure of that. Okay, here we are. So we can just click OK, and it will automatically start putting all of the parameters needed, as well as the information we require to generate this report. We just have to now wait for the report to be complete. Once the report is generated, it will be saved automatically. The location will be in your hard drive into a folder called Cadence project. For some of you, it will prompt you with this message here. You just have to click allow, or in this case, permitir. The file will be saved, and you will receive this message telling you that the process is complete. A new workbook will open. This new workbook will be your FAGLL03 report. Here, you can close this workbook. We won't need it unless, if you want to use it for some reason, you can find it in the location I just mentioned, Cadence project inside your hard drive, your C unit. Now it will create 3 spreadsheets for us. This one here, FAGLL03, is just the report, the original report as extracted from SAP without any modification at all. And the other ones are modified to remove subtotals and total lines. And this one here is going to be expressly used for your functional currency. And this other one here is going to be used for your legal currency. Also, you will notice that the information was imported to the reconciliations file, and it matches what we have on VBA-S. Now, what we have to do is to extract the subledgers, which are provided by KKAK and KKAJ for this example. Just click KKAK. Again, you have to make sure you're logged into SAP. We are, so we can proceed. Just clicking OK. We will see that all of the parameters will be filled out automatically, and automatically will save the report as soon as all of the records have been processed. Okay, the report has now been generated. It's going to be saved within the same location I mentioned before. We just have to click allow in this case. There you go. So now let's click KKHA. We're logged into SAP. And it will all again generate our report. Now it's saving the information. We can click allow, allow again. The process is complete. We click OK. We can close this new workbook. Generate your object sheet. Just click here and wait. Okay, now we can see here that we have a new spreadsheet called object. It contains the total balance for the ledger, which is FAGLL03, both for your functional currency and your legal currency, as well as the total amount extracted from your subledger, which is KKAK and KKAJ. And we have KKAJ here, which is our project's balance, and KKAK, which is our sales orders balance here. And we can see here the difference, the current difference we have between the ledger and the subledger.